Good afternoon, everyone. I am listener Kano, discussing to you about gastrotricha. Taxonomic grouping: Kingdom Animalia, phylum Gastrotricha, class Gastrotricha, order Microdicidae and Chitinotida. This is gastrotricha structures and anatomy. First is spiny bristles. Thorny structures used as a means of intimidation as well as being about to grapple to object as a means of locomotion. Second is esophagus, tube-like structures in which mineral food pass from the mouth to the intestine. Third is salivary gland, secretes sticky acidic substance used to break down the small foods that is consumed. Fourth is anus, small opening in which waste is excreted as very small casting. Fourth is intestinal tract, structure in which consumed minerals are broken down into vital nutrients before secretion. The length of this gastrotricha is usually less than 1 millimeter or rarely up to 3 millimeter. Gastrotricha diet. Gastrotricha are very small marine flatworms that will feed on small organisms or materials such as: first is blue or green algae. Second is protist. Example of protist is slime molds, amoebas, and planktons. Third is uncellular algae. Example is chlorella. Fourth is bacteria. Example is algae and other such bacteria. Last is detritus. Example is decomposes dead matter. The environment of gastrotricha is commonly found in marine benthic environments, such as they are huge contributors in their community. It can be found in terrestrial areas, typically in low-tech water areas, notably found in organic sediment in eutrophic and lentic biotopes, and also found in loose sediment or epibenthic compacted into mud or layered organism. Evolution of gastrotricha is little is known of evolution of gastrotricha, but recent research did come to light. Over time, these plankton muscles develop in a cellular pattern, and it results of better digestion of prey, namely diatoms, and it allowed better mobility. Additionally, the longitudinal muscle and radial dilutions develop in the gut tube. Main problem of lack of information of gastrotricha is the non-existence of fossil evidence, morphologically belong to a prostostome or clade, that consists of other phylums based on molecular evidence. Nematodes plus Nematorpha plus gastrotricha. The common ancestor that the protostome arose from is debated from either free-living turbularian flatworms or coelomates, ally themselves with lophotrochosomes based on SSU RNA sequences. Being more closely related to the phylum Nematida, what differs between them can be seen in their embryonic stage. The surgical cell's cleavage results to be in radial helioblastic pattern. Nematida's cell cleavage results to be in spiral helioblastic pattern. Reproduction: marine species. Marine species are mostly hermaphroditic, possess both male and female sex organs, with only one being functional at a time. Sperm is transferred via a spermatophore through internal fertilization. Eggs are produced in small numbers at a time. No larval stage hatch as small gastrotrichs and reach sexual maturity within 2 or 3 days. Order Microdicidae, 310 species and 6 families, mainly marine and hermaphroditic, alligate body, a complex distribution of adhesive tubes, myoepithelial pharynx with inverted Y-shaped lumen, presence of pharyngeal pores, cellular epidermis surrounded by a soft cuticle, internal cellular musculature. Lastly is order Chitinotidea, uniform body covered with a thick layer of soft homogeneous cuticle, overall shape, tenpen or bottle shape, commonly found in epibenthic, interstitial, and marine environment. It can be found in brackish estuaries and it continued in excretory system like rapidly beating cilia as a way of removing excretory waste. Protonephrida undercover consists of 450 different species.